Hello friends, in this video, I want to discuss about the challenges in adoption of blockchain with IoT. This is a combination where I want to capture the real-time data along with the blockchain technology, mainly into regulatory industry, how those benefits are going to come. This I will be discussing more about how it can be adopted, how it can bring the benefits, what are those business challenges are there into regulatory industry. That's what it is my objective. So let's look at it at the next slide actually. What I'm going to discuss it over here, if you have seen on the left hand side, I have listed out some of those key business processes. And then when you want to move, what is the present traditional process which is there into operation? How that process with an IoT and a real time will go on improving it, and how IoT and blockchain will bring those various benefits. So I have made it into three steps or three phases, how you can go on improving and derive those benefits for the regulatory industry. So let's start with the warehouse inventory system. Presently, it's a manual system or maybe having some crude software solution where the frauds and pilferages are there, which is not really been tracked and all that, which you want to do it. If you start using some IoT system, either with a barcode or a QR code or a RFID or something which gives you a better real-time product batch visibility. So there are less chances because you have better and accurate information is available. If you still improve along with the blockchain, where it is moving not only with your own warehouse, but it is moving to many other warehouses also as the transport movements are there, that reduces to almost a zero fraud because the real-time information is available and visibility is there throughout the system. The next is the distribution planning. From warehouse, the product is moving out and you have to work out a distribution plan. So in a present system, there's no proper planning system. It's an inefficient system. Basically, it all depends upon the customer's call, and then you haphazardly schedule it, call the transporter, and send it. When you have something IoT-based system, you have a better visibility because you know what is really getting loaded into a truck and transporters and all that. And then when it gets linked up with a blockchain, then you have a better traceability. Your route planning and all is improved and all that. Then comes to your transportation planning. Once the distribution leads to the next phase, the transportation, where many a times you may be getting product and batch damage complaints because the transporter is not maybe handling it properly and all that. That gets improved when it gets connected with an IoT and all that, because IoT, like in a GPS or something, will go on linking up to your cloud, and then that data is available. So tracking becomes easy. What route, who transporter, where it got damaged and all that, which batch. So tracking becomes much more easier. And when you are using various emerging technologies of real-time data capture and use AI and ML, it improves your forecast, and then the transportation planning, route planning, truck requirement, everything goes on improving it and all that. So as we go on moving with IoT and blockchain and more technology, there are better and better results or better accuracies and better planning, and that leads to customer satisfaction. So the next parameter which I'm going to discuss is about the customers and patient supports only. In a present traditional system, you may have complete documentation is not available. You may not have those batch details. You may not have a manufacturing date. You may not have a combination of some of the two different batches working together or something like that. So that has got a limitations in the present system, which gets improved when you move to IoT, and then that data can get linked up to your order to deliveries, and maybe customer also gets the idea about the product batch details and all that. And then finally, when it moves to processing, there's no need about depending upon the supply chain, because the complete information about the product, batch, manufacturing details, traceability, complete authentic data is available because of the blockchain systems and all that. That is how customer, the patient, is assured about the quality, authenticity about the particular product. Other parameters are like commercial data for analytics. In a present system, there's no analytics, there's nothing like that. But when we start with an IoT based solution, there is some possibilities there. But since all these systems are not really integrated, they are not giving you quick data. It is possible, but it takes long time. While when you go to the IoT and blockchain along with other emerging technologies, the complete customers information, products information, customers complaint, patients complaints from that is available along with a smart contract, which can help you to improve your planning also. So these are the benefits which is really coming. So adoption of IoT and blockchain can really help to regulatory industry. And then the ecosystem about the patient relationship is more important, because in a regulatory industry, patient is driving the demand, and then patient satisfaction is most important, which is really going to happen because of the seamless data integration when we have a IoT and blockchain coming together. Information system, which is going to support to this various business processes, also goes on upgrading it. As the first phase, it's only a transaction data. In the second stage, it is some partial data about the real time. But when we have IoT-based blockchain system, then it really assures patient, and that integration plays an important role. So I'm just trying to share the brief ideas about how the blockchain and IoT can really help you in regulatory industry, both from the regulatory compliances also, as well as the supply chain excellence point of view also. If you need some more information, feel free to contact us. Do subscribe our channel so you will have more such inputs coming to you. Our contact information is over here. Thank you. Bye.